Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make veg pot rice. For this I have taken vegetable stock. In this I will add black pepper, soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with water. Now mix all the ingredients. Sauce is ready. Now I will take a pan for stir fry. I will add 2 tablespoons of oil. I will add sliced onion in it. Cook this for 2 minutes. Now I will add the vegetables for stir fry. Some mushrooms, carrots, bell peppers, broccoli. Give it a toss and cover it for some time. Add salt according to your taste. Now goes in the sauce mix. I will stir it for some time. I'll add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup in it. Some mint leaves. Now put boiled rice in the bowl and pour the gravy on the rice. And at the end, add some spring onions over it. Our veg pot rice is ready to serve.